Hey guys, putting a phone in the microwave. Ooh, okay, so I heard that it might break the phone. I'm scared about this. Like, this is really dangerous. Alright, so let's close it. Okay, wait a few seconds. Oh, shit. Okay, so I thought it would be hot and stuff, but let's see if it works. Works perfectly fine. I don't know why this fake video is saying when they put the phone in the microwave, like it breaks or stuff, but that didn't happen, so that happened, and it still works and everything. Brand new phone. It's pretty cool.